Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi opening to a black screen that just sits there and never closes into the app? This has been reported by multiple Kalshi users, and here's the fast fix. Force close the app from your recent apps by swiping it away firstly. Then go to your settings app and then turn on airplane mode. Wait for 15 seconds and turn it back off. Then open the app again. This fresh network reset clears the black screen in many cases. If the black screen is still there, go to your app store, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, and then pull down to refresh the update list. If Kalshi update is available, then tap update if it is. After updating, force close and reopen the Kalshi app again. If it's still showing black screen, then go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and then find Kalshi. Now tap Offload app. Once you offload it, go to the app store, search for the app, and reinstall it fresh from the app store. Also, make sure that your iPhone's date and time is set to automatic. Go to your settings app, then in the general, scroll down to date and time, and then make sure that it is set to automatically. Wrong clock settings can cause Kalshi app to show a black screen when its authentication fails. So all you gotta do is turn airplane mode on, go to the app store, update it, offload and reinstall, fix date and time. Kalshi black screen will be gone, and that's it. Subscribe for more Kalshi app fixes.